Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking Black Friday Facebook post in Canva. So if you are trying to create a Facebook post about Black Friday by yourself, you can do it in Canva. You don't need any experience, and the best part of Canva is that you can simply choose a template you like, modify it, add your own details, and have your post ready within a few minutes. So create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and search for a Black Friday Facebook post. We are creating a post for Facebook, which is why we searched for a Facebook post. If you want to create one for Instagram, you can simply search for an Instagram post. You can see the Canva templates here. Click on See All to explore all the options. Now you can see all the available Black Friday templates. Now I'll go with this one. This one looks good, and it's free. Some are paid, while others are free. You can choose a free version, explore more options, and click on Customize this template for whichever one you like. After that, you will have full access to modify whatever you want. To start with the text, just click on Text if you want to add any text. These are additional features for customizing the text. If you want to change the font, you can do so here. If you want to resize your image or text, you can resize it like this or like this. This option allows you to change the text color, make the text bold, or italicize it. You can try these features for text customization. Regarding the background, if you want to change its color, just click on Background. There is an option for changing the background color, and you can adjust it like this. If you want to replace this image with your own, you need to upload an image from your PC. Just upload your image, and it will appear here. To replace the template image with your own, you simply need to drag and drop it like this. Then, reposition your image. If you want to make it bigger, you can do it like this. Just double-click on it, and this option will be enabled. Similarly, if you want to replace this image, I will do it like this. Drag and drop. It's really easy. Like this, just drag and drop. You can adjust anything you like. In the same way, you can customize the background and text, replace images, add your own images and information, and modify the branding colors and fonts. You can change everything. When you are done customizing your template, you can rename your file and export or download it. Go to this section and download it. You can download it in PNG or any other format if needed. Just download it, and your Black Friday Facebook post will be ready to upload to Facebook. You created it by yourself. Thank you for watching.